Hello, 6th grade, and welcome to week 3 of our online learning. So far, if you've been following along, we've reviewed elements, compounds, and mixtures, and then all about solutions and saturations. You guys have been doing a great job with your Flipgrid videos. I think those are my favorite, and the discussions have been really good. This week we are going to kind of wrap up solutions and kind of introduce some new things that we didn't get a chance to talk about really in class before we ended our in-class instruction. I hope everyone has had a blessed Easter and you enjoyed the weekend with your families. I know that my family had an Easter dinner via Zoom, and my daughter still enjoyed egg hunts and eating all of the candy out of her eggs first, of course. So I hope you and your family found a way to celebrate this holiday as well. So let me just give you an overview of what are the activities for this week. So the week 3 folder will have all of the things in it that you need to access. If we go to the directions, again, we're going to be finishing up the green packet and then moving on to the orange packet. The 3 videos that you're watching, you'll get to see my daughter in several of these videos. She compares the concentration level of different solutions in one video. And then the next one will be like kind of my explanation of what concentration is and how to compare them using fractions. And so that's about 6 total minutes of concentration there. And then the last video focuses on a new topic all about property changes, and we're going to introduce those this week. And you're going to be watching a brain pop for that. The articles that you're going to be looking at, you'll actually want to do all 3 of these. And the first one is a vocab preview from the concentration vocab preview for the green packet, just to do one more review with concentration. And then the other 2 articles, again, focus on property changes. So we have a chemical change and a physical change. And we'll talk more about that next week as well. Our 3 activities that you can choose 2 of, obviously you've got your discussion. In this case, you've got a flip chart activity. You'll see in here that there's a flip chart activity. When you click on this assignment, there will be a flip chart for you to open, okay? And when you open up that flip chart, you need ActiveInspire to do that, which you should have on your computers already. If not, go into the 4 squares, and I think you can download different things available for you in the Software Center. And anyway, you're sorting different examples into either a physical change or a chemical change. And then finally, for artistic expression, you can either focus on concentration or you can focus on property changes and create a poem, a song, a piece of art that shows your understanding of those things. And finally, your real-world activity, again with parent permission, is you are going to demonstrate or find an example of a physical and chemical change and explain why your examples are physical and chemical changes, and use the definitions. You've got a 1-minute maximum, and again, those will be available in Flipgrid. So week 3 will be highlighted for that. Okay? Good luck. Please email me with any questions, and just a reminder that if you have anything that is missing, I've emailed you, and you have until Friday to turn those things in. So have fun. Please be in touch. We'll shoot for a Zoom session on Friday at 2 again. I will send a link via Schoology Events. Okay, have a good one.